Welcome to Data Basics and Beyond. And today I want to show you shortcuts to speed up your work on Excel. My name is Omotayo Odwayo. So we have the Ctrl S, which saves your work. Ctrl C copies your work. Ctrl V pastes the work you copied. Then we have the Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z undoes what you have deleted. Maybe you have a data set you deleted by mistake. You can always Ctrl Z to undo it and you get back your data. Then we have control page up, which jumps to the data at the edge, and control page down, which jumps to the last data at the edge. So you have it on your laptop. It's written PG, UP or PG ending. Then we have control home. Control home takes you back to the first row of your data set, and control N takes you to the last page, last row of your data set. Then we have the freeze panes. The freeze panes makes you see your column, the topping of your column, even if you are scrolling your data set. And we have the table structures, which helps you references your dynamic ranges. So you can decide to either freeze your row or freeze your column when you want to freeze panes. So the first thing you go to is you go to your view, then click on freeze panes. So you see they have it freeze top row. You click on it and it freezes the top row. So even if you have thousands of data sets and you keep scrolling, your headers will continue showing up. Then you can also freeze first column. That's if you have a lot of columns you want to keep seeing, but you want the information here to keep showing. You can always freeze your first column and you will keep scrolling and you'll be seeing the information. That is what freeze does. We can unfreeze that now. Then there's another shortcut I use, which is Ctrl Arrow then end. It highlights the heading of all your data sets, the particular data set you are using at that moment. Then we have Ctrl Arrow then down, page down. It 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 highlights all the data sets you are presently working to the bottom of the data set you are presently working on. Then if you do page up, you see it goes back to the first row you're using.